So I want to ask the children a question quickly, but then you unmute yourself, answer the question and mute yourself again. All right? Okay, children? So what, are you enjoying your online studies, or do you want to go back to school quickly?
Mummy, school.
School, okay. What class are you in? What class are you in?
Mum, 8th.
8th, okay. Anybody else who wants to go back to school, or are they enjoying this? Are they enjoying the online learning?
And school.
School. What about parents? What do parents think? That online learning is good, is better than spending so many hours in school, or do they prefer this? Parents, आपको क्या लगता है? या better ऑनलाइन लर्निंग ईजियर है, बेटर है, बच्चे घर पे बैठे हैं आराम से, या स्कूल भेजने में जो सुबह सुबह उठ के भेजना पड़ता है, दोपहर को लेने जाना पड़ता है, वो बेटर है? कौन सा बेटर है?
As compared to online classes and regular classes, we would, as a parent, we would prefer students going to school.
Correct.
But due to this pandemic, we have learned many things. So as of now, so online classes are far better.
Sure.
For the safeguard of our kids.
That's true. But जैसे आगे बढ़ के, when we are going forward, there may be a hybrid model of education, जिसको hybrid model बोलते हैं ना. So जिन बच्चों को स्कूल से करना है, जा सकते हैं, कुछ पार्ट टाइम स्कूल जा सकते हैं, जैसे 2 हफ्ते में 2 दिन चले गए, 3 दिन चले गए, बाकी घर से एजुकेशन पूरी हो रही है. तो आप क्या प्रेफर करते हैं, और ऐसा, और आपको लगता है कि ऐसा हो सकता है, और अगर हो सकता है तो आर वी रेडी फॉर इट?
Madam, as far as like online classes are there, like if you go for higher studies, different countries, they are following this online practice from last so many years. तो अभी इंडिया के लिए तो थोड़ा सा नया है, but I hope कि everyone, like even teachers, kids, parents, they get used to it, है ना. एक mindset थोड़ा सा change होने में थोड़ा time लगेगा, but it is easy thing, है ना. आप एक ही जगह पे आप you have many things to learn, है ना. आप बहुत सारी चीजों को आप grasp कर सकते हैं, अपने area of interest वाले में आप enroll कर सकते हैं, आप सीख सकते हैं. मतलब it is easy accessible online classes.
Absolutely. A lot of content and material is available online, जो आपको वैसे नहीं मिल सकता, और आपको अलग अलग तरह के लोग आपको कोचिंग कर सकते हैं. आप एक ही तरह का एजुकेशन, यू डोंट हैव टू डिपेंड ऑन जस्ट वन इंस्टीट्यूट, वन एजुकेटर, वन मोड, एक मोड ऑफ स्टडी. तो मतलब कंटेंट हर तरह से आजकल अवेलेबल है, एंड दैट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग. ड्रॉबैक्स भी इसके हैं, एंड लाइक यू सेड सर, ग्लोबली तो बहुत सालों से चल रहा है, इंडिया में भी, और ग्लोबली जिन लोगों ने ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन दिया है, लोगों को टेक्नोलॉजी दी है, वो इंडियंस ही हैं. जो बैठ के बना रहे हैं वो सब इंडियंस ही हैं. लेकिन इंडिया में तो 2020 में जाकर हमने वो चीज़ें यूज़ करी है जो हमारे पास पिछले 10 साल से हैं, और हम स्कूल्स को रेगुलरली प्रोवाइड करा जाता है, ऑनलाइन कंटेंट, LMS, एनिमेशंस एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. बट वो अब स्मार्ट क्लासेस तो कब से चल रही हैं, लेकिन यूज अब हो रही है. तो यू आर राइट, उसके पॉजिटिव्स भी बहुत है, लाइक यू जस्ट सेड कि पैंडेमिक की वजह से तो घर बैठे हैं, लेकिन पॉजिटिव्स बहुत हैं, नेगेटिव्स भी बहुत हैं. तो एक जो बच्चे एक साथ बैठ के जो एक मेंटरशिप होता है वो नहीं हो पा रहा है, आपस में, एंड टीचर्स आर ऑल्सो नॉट एबल टू गेट. सबका कॉन्सेंट्रेशन लेवल अलग होता है ना. कोई सोकर उठा है, कोई किसी को ब्रेड खिला रहा है, मम्मी नाश्ता नहीं कर रहा है, कोई दूध पी रहा है बच्चा, कोई आंखें रब करता हुआ बस उठ के बैठा है. There are so many problems. So anyway, now we're going to start. Anup, shall we start? I mean, if you say, if all the teachers are in, then we can start, because we are going to start with a quiz, and I want all the parents and children and teachers to answer those questions. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
अनूप, अगर आप बोले तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं, अगर आप बोले तो हम थोड़ा वेट करते हैं.
Yes, ma'am. Your time is going. Yes, ma'am. Please.
So shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay. So let's start, and I'm going to ask you questions. आप लोग जब आंसर करें तो आप अनम्यूट करें. जब आपका आंसर हो जाए, then you should mute yourself. All right? Okay. Okay. Let's start. All right. So we are going to start with a little quiz. Can someone answer this question?
Yes.
Yes. Introduce कीजिए अपने आप को. Are you a teacher, student, parent, what?
I am a student.
Which class, बच्चा?
8th class.
हाँ?
8th class.
8th class. Very good. Please tell me, beta, what is the Pythagoras theorem?
A square is equal to B square plus C square.
Excellent. Parents, सब मानते हैं कि आंसर ठीक है. Teachers, do you agree that the answer is correct? Yes.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी.
ma'am.
जी.
Actually, A and B should be precisely said that hypotenuse square is equal to the square of base plus perpendicular.
All right. Okay. So what do you think? What do
Partially
parents?
correct.
Partially correct. Now please answer the second question, and I want teachers and parents to answer question number 2, and maybe students also. So when did you use it last?
Ma'am, we have used it.
Sorry, bacha, tell me. You have used it where?
Ma'am, we have used it last as the properties of triangle in
No.
chapter of maths.
last class. What I mean is in real life. I want teachers to answer this question and parents to answer this question. When did parents use Pythagoras theorem last in their lives? असली में कब use किया? Anybody? I guess the answer is no. What is a parallelogram? This is not an
And-
exam at all. This is just the
Parallelogram is a quadrilateral having opposite sides parallel to each other.
wonderful, ma'am. And next question. So when have we used it? I mean, do you know anybody who has used it? Even an architect friend or an engineer? I'm sure a lot.
Ma'am,
Ji,
Ma'am, I used it for my child. I was making a project for him. It was
Wonderful.
like a window frame and it was tilting at some angle.
Okay. So what was the outcome, as in what use is it? So if you didn't know about a parallelogram, would you not have been able to make it? अगर हम parallelogram नहीं आता जिसको, क्या वो नहीं बना पाते वो विंडो? That's a question. All right, what is an anther? Anybody knows anther क्या होता है? Science teachers सबको पता होगा. Parents, children. Very good. What is the difference between an alligator and a crocodile?
Ma'am, alligator has a long bottle-like nose
Yes.
and crocodile has comparatively square jaw, means broad jaw.
Correct. But why are they different? I mean, look के अलावा अलग क्यों होते हैं? I mean, do they eat anything different?
No, they both belong to reptile family. Both live on land and water, and difference is.
Okay, this is a more interesting question. What is the difference between a fox, a jackal, and a wolf? Anybody? Any child? अच्छा, रेन क्लाउड जो है वो डार्क क्यों होते हैं, काले क्यों हो जाते हैं? रेन तो काला नहीं होता. So anybody who can answer? I don't know the answer of any one of these, except one or two. So that's why I'm asking.
Rain clouds are filled with pollution.
Pollution. Wonderful.
Ma'am, because gases. Ma'am, because of water vapor. Because the presence of
cloud. All right. अच्छा, टेल मी, आपने you've seen दूध को उबलते हुए देखा है ना, और पानी को भी? तो दूध जो है वो ऐसे गिर क्यों जाता है, पानी तो नहीं गिरता?
Crocodile has broad mouth and
Sorry. Tell me again.
yes, crocodile has a broad mouth and alligator has pointed mouth. Is
Yeah,
correct,
but
ma'am?
that's we are on the last question right now. Why does milk boil over? दूध क्यों गिर जाता है ऐसे ऊपर से बॉयल होके, लेकिन पानी अगर बॉयल करता है तो वो तो नहीं गिरता.
Yes, ma'am. Fat.
जोर से.
Water evaporates, ma'am.
Water
evaporates. Milk
Okay.
contains fat.
Okay, but
Ma'am, because
but ultimately, if you boil milk for a long time, that also evaporates and coagulates.
But ma'am,
All right, guys, this is not a
fact.
And this is because of the density difference in the density of milk and water.
That's true, and many other things. So the bubbles of the milk, they don't sort of break easily because of the density. So the question now is that, if you look at these things, why have I asked such questions? Why did we do? What is the purpose of a quiz like this? Anybody? Okay. So the purpose of a quiz like this is nothing. It's just to tell you that, that what happens is, because we are studying so intensively. जो हम intensive studies करते हैं. Intensive का मतलब है that we study to answer questions, right? Parents, teachers, yes. So we often don't see things which are just around us. हमारे आसपास क्या हो रहा है हमें उसका आंसर नहीं मालूम होता है. Like a small thing, like we have never painted our own house. We don't know how to paint our windows. Small things. हम लोग ये सब नहीं करते हैं. ठीक है. We don't know how to make compost. अगर हमें compost बनाना है तो हम YouTube में देख के सीखते हैं. So I'm just saying that we often don't observe things that are close to us. Bird species हैं, we don't know the names. So what do? We Google them. आजकल Google में you can put a picture and we find out. So often, and most of the things that we study are also not related to real life. Okay, so this is the purpose of the workshop, where I'm going to talk about 2 of our series which you guys are going to use now. Okay, and I'm going to talk about why they are important and how we have designed it, from scratch. Okay, keeping all the aspects in mind कि जो आप पढ़ें वो आपके काम भी आए कभी,